Guys, today we'll talk about how can you select who can contact me on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click your own profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on who can contact me, you just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. And here can you select who can contact you in this list here. So that's all you have to do to select it. That's all. I wish you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.